Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure QueensLink N900 Easy Guide. First, power on the router, connect via Ethernet to your PC, open a browser, and go to the default IP to access the web setup. Log in with the sticker password or reset if needed, run the quick setup, set SSID and password, and save changes before rebooting. I'll also show how to update firmware and test wireless range around your home for best coverage. Start by changing the admin password and securing the router with WPA2 or WPA3 so casual attackers are blocked. Choose a clear SSID that you can recognize on multiple devices and avoid default names. Consider manual channel selection if nearby Wi-Fi networks create interference, and test different channels in the same room to identify the best one for speed and stability before finalizing settings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for reading manuals or taking a break between router setup steps. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can learn more. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. For better reliability, check the router firmware page and apply updates if available, following prompts carefully. Set DHCP reservations for printers or NAS devices so they always keep the same local IP address, which helps with port forwarding. If you host guests, enable a guest network to isolate their devices from your main network, and test connectivity on a phone or laptop to confirm all rules and forwarding behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.